Dear students, quadrilaterals, exercise 7.1, the continuum part, problem number 2. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. So, first given that AC is equal to BD. Dear students, look at the figure. AC is equal to BD. What is this? These are the diagonals to show that ABCD is a rectangle. To show that ABCD is a rectangle. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal. Diagonals of a parallelogram are equal. To show that ABCD is a rectangle. To show that ABCD is a rectangle, and we have to prove that one of its interior angle is right angle. One of its interior angle is right angle. One of its interior angles is right angled. Next, proof. In triangle ABC, and triangle BAD, ABC BAD. Here is BC is equal to BA. Here BC is equal to BA. Here BC is equal to BA, and AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Next, what is the given? AC is equal to BD given. AC is equal to BD given by, therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. ಅಂದರೆ ABCಗೆ ಸರ್ವಸಮ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? BAD by side congruency. Next, angle A is equal to angle B. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Angle A is equal to, look at this figure, angle A is equal to angle B means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Also angle A plus angle B is equal to interior angles. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Means sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal. Angle A plus, look at this, angle A is equal to angle B. Here in this place angle B is equal to angle A is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle A is equal to angle 2 to angle A is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 180 degree divided by 2. Angle A is equal to 90 degree is equal to angle B. Therefore, ABCD is a what? Yes, rectangle. Hence, they proved. Once again, this is the proof. Angle ABC and angle BAD. BC is equal to BA. AC is equal to AD. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. What is the given in the statement? AC is equal to BD given. Therefore, angle ABC congruent to angle BAD. Yes, congruency. Angle A is equal to angle B. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. In case of angle B is in the place angle A. Angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. To angle A is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 2 9s are 0, 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 90 degree is equal to angle B. ABCD is a rectangle. Hence proved. Problem number 3. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. Here is the picture. Solution. Let ABCD be a quadrilateral. ABCD be a quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Dear students, look at this figure. AC and BD are the diagonals bisect each other at the point O at right angles. Given that OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD, and angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD is equal to angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. In picture, I can explain this. AOB, angle AOB is equal to angle BOC is equal to angle COD is equal to angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. To show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಅಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್, ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ರೋಂಬಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ we have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram and AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All the sides AB, BC, CD, AD. We can prove that ABCD is a parallelogram and all the four sides are equal. Proof. In triangle AOB and triangle COB. Look at this figure. In triangle AOB and COB, OA is equal to OC. Another side, OA is equal to OC already now, and angle AOB is equal to angle COB. Angle AOB is equal to angle COB. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Next, the common one is these two are triangles AOB and BOC. The common side is what? Yes, the common side is BO or OB. OB is equal to OB, common side. Therefore, triangle AOB sarvasama congruent triangle COB by ASA, side angle side congruency. Thus AB is equal to BC, CP CT. AB is equal to, look at this figure, AB is equal to AB is equal to BC, means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. AB is equal to BC. Similarly, we can prove AB is equal to CD. Similarly, we can prove that AB is equal to CD and CD is equal to AD and AD is equal to AB. So, once again we will write AB is equal to CD, CD is equal to AD, AD is equal to AB. Thus, once again, therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. So, opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, and hence we can prove that ABCD, we also prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, ABCD is rhombus as it is a parallelogram whose diagonals what? Yes, whose diagonals intersect at right angles, hence proved. Once again, this is the problem number 3. Question number 6. Diagonals AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisect angle A in figure 7.19 show that it bisects angle C. Also ABCD is a rhombus. Once again I will explain the question. The diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisects angle A in figure 7.19 show that it also intersects at C and ABCD is a rhombus. Solution. First one, it bisects angle C. We can prove in triangle ADC and triangle CBA. Look at this figure. In triangle ADC, first one, and CBA, this is the second triangle. AD is equal to CB. AD is equal to CB. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Next one, DC is equal to BA. DC is equal to BA and AC is common side. In both the triangles, AC is common. AC is equal to AC. Common side. Therefore, triangle ADC congruent to triangle CBA. Once again, triangle ADC congruent to triangle CBA. Yes, yes, yes. Congruency. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle CAB. Once again, angle ACD is equal to angle CAB, means by corresponding parts of congruent triangles, and angle CAB given is equal to CAD. This is given. Angle CAB is equal to CAD given. Therefore, ACD is equal to angle ACD is equal to angle BCA. Once again, angle ACD is equal to angle BCA. So, thus, which one? AC bisects C also. AC bisects angle C also. Next, second one, ABCD is a, we can prove that ABCD is a rhombus. First, we will take angle ACD is equal to angle CAD. Also proved above. This is proved above. ACD, look at this. Angle ACD is equal to angle CAD. ACD is equal to CAD, proved above, and AD is equal to CD. AD is equal to CD. Opposite of equal angles. AD is equal to CD. Opposite sides of equal angles of a triangle are equal. Also, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA अथवा AD. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Thus ABCD is a rhombus. Once again, I will explain the second main. Once again, angle ACD is equal to angle CAD, proved above. AD is equal to CD. Opposite sides of equal angles of a triangle are equal. Hence, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Means opposite sides of a parallelogram. Thus, ABCD is a rhombus. Problem number 7. ABCD is a rhombus. Show that the diagonals AC bisect angle A as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisects B as well as D. I will explain the question. Look at this figure. ABCD is a rhombus. Show that diagonal AC bisects A as well as C, and diagonal BD bisects B as well as D. Given that, what is the given in the statement? Yes, ABCD is a rhombus. Here, AC and BD are its diagonals. Look at the figure. You observe the diagonals AC and BD. Proof. AD is equal to CD. Which one? Here. AD is equal to CD. Means angle A is equal to angle C. Sides of a rhombus. Angle A is equal to angle C. DAC is equal to DCA. Angle A is equal to angle C. Angles opposite of equal sides of a triangle are equal. Once again, angle DAC is equal to angle DCA. Angles opposite of equal sides of a triangle are equal. Also, AB parallel to CD. Look at this figure. AB parallel to CD. This implies that angle DAC is equal to angle DCA. Means alternate what? Dear students, I am already telling about the which angles interior alternative interior angles. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಕೋನಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿನ ಇಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಈ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಕೋನಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ? DAC is equal to BCA. ಯಾವ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾವೆ? Z ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ D ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ C ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, A ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Z ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ DAC, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ A is equal to B. This is the B. BCA, this one angle. Then alternative interior angles. So this implies that angle DCA is equal to BCA. Look at this figure. DCA is equal to BCA. This is also a alternative interior angles. Therefore, AC bisects angle C. Similarly, we can prove that diagonals, which diagonal? AC. Diagonal AC bisect angle A. Following the same method, we can prove that the diagonals BD bisects angle B and angle D. Hence the proved. Question number 8. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Show that first one ABCD is a square, second one diagonals BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. Dear students, listen carefully. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisects A as well as C. Show that first one is ABCD is a square, second one diagonal BD bisects B as well as D. Solution. First, angle A is equal to angle C, means DAC is equal to DCA. Look at this. DAC means angle A is equal to DCA, angle C. This means that angle A is equal to angle C. This part AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Next one, AD is equal to CD. Look at this figure. AD is equal to CD means sides. Sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. We can write sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Also, CD is equal to AB. CD is equal to AB. What is this? Yes, opposite sides of a rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle. Next, therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Thus, ABCD is a what? Yes, ABCD is a square. Second one, in triangle BCD, BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to CD. This implies that angle CDB is equal to angle CBD is equal to this one. Angle CDB is equal to CBD means angle B is equal to angle D. The same method of the first one. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Also, CDB angle CBD is equal to angle ABD. Look here, carefully observe. CDB is equal to ABD. This is also, ಇದು ಯಾವ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Z ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ABDC. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್, ಅಂತರ್ಪರ್ಯಾಯ ಕೋನಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಆಂಗಲ್ CDB is equal to ABD, ಒಳಕೋನಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. Therefore, CBD is equal to ABD. This is also, once again, CBD is equal to ABD. Next, CBD is equal to ABD. This is also ಯಾವ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ. ABCD. You can explain. CBD, angle CBD is equal to angle ABD. Angle ABD. This is not an alternative angle. This is angle B is equal to angle B. This one, CBD, angle CBD is equal to angle ABD means angle B is equal to angle B. Thus BD bisects angle B. BD bisects angle B. Now angle CBD is equal to angle ADB. Look at this figure. Angle CBD is equal to angle ADB, and angle CDB is equal to angle ADB. This is also angle B is equal to angle D, and angle D is equal to angle D. Thus, which one? This one is angle B is equal to angle B. This one, now angle B is equal to angle D. Therefore, at angle CDB is equal to angle ADB, means angle D is equal to angle D. Thus, BD bisects, in this statement, BD bisects B. B is equal to B. In this statement, BD bisects D. Why? Angle D is equal to angle D. So, BD bisects angle D. Hence, proved.